Welcome back students, Holy Angel School and Junior College online classes, class 6, civics, chapter number 4, urban local government bodies. In previous chapter, we studied the nature of the local government bodies in the rural areas. In this chapter, we will learn something about the government institutions in the urban areas. This includes the Nagar Panchayat, municipal council and the municipal corporation. In our country has a large number of towns and cities and they are growing rapidly day to day. Villages are growing into towns, towns into cities and cities into a metropolis. These rural areas, neighboring cities are also getting transformed. Because of that, some facilities and some problems occurred in the urban area. Which facilities we are founded in the urban area? These are the opportunities for industries and businesses. Because of rapidly growing of the area, in this area the industries are developed, that's why also business are developed. So opportunities occurs industrial area and as well as business also. Expanding service sector. Because of the growing area, there also service sector also expanding. Because of that, there are some vacancies available in this area. Large scale opportunities for job, availability of facilities for entertainment, art, culture. And which problems we can face in the cities? Shortage of housing. Because of that, the flat system occurs nowadays in the big buildings are shown into cities. Correct. Insufficient space, traffic congestions, problems of disposal of waste, increasing crime, a large proportion of population in slum. Because of the shortage of houses, that's why a large proportion of the population in slum areas. Again, traffic congestions. Daily we are facing this problem because the service time, official time, in that time we also face traffic on the roads. Problem of disposal of waste. How we can manage the garbage, how to manage the garbage disposition. We can face some problems in the city areas. First we can discuss point, the Nagar Panchayat. The villages that are in the process of becoming towns have a Nagar Panchayat. We see some areas which are neither fully rural or nor fully urban. In such areas, the local government body is the Nagar Panchayat. As with other local bodies, election to Nagar Panchayat are held every 5 years. The elected members choose a president and vice president from among themselves. All local government bodies have to carry out some essential functions. What according to you are the essential functions of your Nagar Panchayat? You know students, like Gram Panchayat, in Nagar Panchayat also some members are elected from this Nagar Panchayat through the people, and whose are elected members choose one president and another is a vice president, and these members are working on the Nagar Panchayat. And Nagar Panchayat means the village is in the process of becoming a town, and not whole village. It means it is not fully a village and it is not a big town. The between of that, it means now it is a growing village. It is known as the Nagar Panchayat. Now Sakani is also a Nagar Panchayat. I hope students you understood here the Nagar Panchayat. In next video we will discuss about the municipal council and municipal corporation. Have a good day. Thank you.